A truly classy craftsman is not only skilled but also daring. Today, we will explore the process of machining a giant piston with a diameter of up to 610 millimeters. This job is not simple, and the price for each product can fluctuate widely. A normal worker might charge around $2,000, but the worker in this story, with over 35 years of experience, came up with $20,000. So is his craftsmanship worth this price? Let's look at each step in this detailed machining process. First, the round piston is firmly fixed with a chuck on the lathe. To ensure accuracy, the worker continuously adjusts the clamp. This is an extremely important step because just a slight deviation can cause serious errors in the subsequent machining process. After confirming the stable position, the worker begins cutting the front and periphery. These operations require precise control of lathe rotation speed, cutter speed, and depth of cut to ensure piston diameter and shape meet design standards. Next, the worker uses a specialized lathe to machine the hole inside the piston. It sounds simple, but in fact, this is an extremely technical process to ensure roundness, smoothness, and accurate dimensions. The worker must perfectly control each parameter, depth of cut rotation, speed, and stability throughout the machining process. Even a small mistake can cause the piston to not meet standards, greatly affecting the future operation of the device. After completing the inner bore, the next step is to create the internal thread to connect the piston to the connecting rod. As the lathe rotates, the cutter gradually etches the inside wall of the piston, creating smooth, precise threads. If the threads are uneven or defective, assembly will be problematic immediately. Before continuing to machine the remaining parts, the worker uses a precision gauge to check the roundness of the outer part and the degree of misalignment of the inner hole. Because the fit is extremely tight, the tolerance must be strictly controlled. If you fail, all previous efforts will become meaningless. This is the most difficult and important step in the whole process. Each ring groove on the piston must achieve extremely high precision. The worker must control every micrometer, because even a small mistake can affect the entire product. With the support of high-end lathes, the craftsman gradually perfects each ring groove accurately and smoothly. This process took more than an hour, but not the slightest deviation was allowed, to ensure accuracy reaching 3/4 of the technical standard. The worker continues to use a specialized ruler to check the thickness and curvature of each tooth and the diameter of each ring groove. He measured again and again, only stopping when every parameter was perfect. So the question is whether the price of $20,000 is worth the effort and skill of this worker. This is not just a regular mechanical product but a work of art in the mechanical processing industry. Each processing step is carried out meticulously down to every micrometer, ensuring absolute quality. If compared with conventional products, this price seems high. But in terms of accuracy, technique, and output quality, the number $20,000 is completely reasonable. What do you think? Is this price worth the investment? Please leave your opinion below in the comments section.